They got these ribs on the back. I don't know if you can see them. And they're super hipster, which I like. What's up, guys? It's your boy on bikes. I know I just shouted into the mic. I'm sorry. I always do that. I just get so excited when I'm on my iron steed out here trotting through the wilderness, riding through this world all alone. I should do like a transition there that goes to like sepia. You know what I ought to do is I just ought to put my camera down in the road sometime and just do a couple drive-bys. But anyway, that's not why we're here. We're here because today I just received in the mail these gloves. Now what are they, you may ask? I don't know what angle I'm going to use. I might use this angle. I might use that angle. This video might not even be usable because it's almost dark out. But they are the Z1R, or the Z1R for those of you in not America. Z1R 938 deerskin. Yeah, deerskin. I don't remember. The Z1R deerskin cold weather riding glove. They're made in Pakistan, apparently. I got mine from RevZilla.com. Not a sponsor, by the way, not a sponsor. But I have bought a lot of stuff from them, and they seem to be a pretty good company, so. They were $35 a pair. And so far, I've been riding out here for 10, 15 minutes, and it is 30 degrees out. It is Pennsylvania. It is winter time, as we say. And like, my hands are a little chilly right now, but I did stop before I started this video. I was riding around for a little while. I did stop I didn't shut the bike off, stopped for about 2 minutes, and I'm gonna be good to ride back to my garage. I'd say, you know, and I'm not out here doing highway speeds. Maybe I was there for just a second. But I'm not out here doing crazy amounts of speed. And so that's something. Plus, my right hand obviously is just a little bit colder than my left hand. Gonna take it easy out here because there's plenty of cinders on the road. But yeah, my right hand obviously is out in the wind because it's on the throttle. My left hand, I can just sort of relax it. You've probably seen me do that a lot. It's just something that I do. I don't know why. I could blame it on an old football injury and say it's because this elbow was broken when I was a child, which it was. And it was a football injury. It was a football injury, technically, because it was in someone's backyard, and one of my buddies picked me up and dropped me, and yeah, broke my elbow. Anywho, hey, we're catching up to that guy. First impressions, okay, these fit really good, and I went by RevZilla's sizing chart, and I read some of the reviews that say that if your fingers run long for your hand size, which mine do, that these are a good glove. I measured my hands, I got mediums, and like, they fit really well, and it is true, the fingers do seem to fit deep down into these pockets here. And I went over a bump and my beat cam probably shook. These pockets here. And yeah, they're comfy. They are lined with 40 grain 40G Thinsulate. Seems to be genuine 3M insulate. It's got tags all over it. It says made in the USA. And the glove, the reason why I bought this glove is because it got such good reviews, not only on Revzilla, but also just in general on some other websites. And they do seem to be doing the job really good. And I can't say what they would be like at this point, just eating miles on the highway. But right now, just cruising the back roads, they're decent, man. I will say, I did lose the tip of this pinky, so it gets cold kind of before everything else. So I won't hold that against it. Yeah, you probably can't see over my arms. What are all these people? There's a lot of people, my dude. Hey, Jeep. Jeep. Did you see the way that guy is looking at me? Looking at me like I'm a raving fool. Out here riding a motorcycle. Yeah, I mean, in town, they're fine. It's 24 degrees out. Let me see if I can get a good shot. Oh, no, it's 29. Is it 29 or 24? I can't tell. 24? I still couldn't really tell. So, yeah, man. Z1R glove. I've never had a winter glove before. And I figured I would try one because, you know, I don't know, I'm one of those people that I just get the itch, man. I want to ride, and last year I rode a Grom all winter long, and that was a blast. I made lots of videos on it, which I'm sure you've seen. Seen me riding around on a Grom in the snow plenty. Man, this thing does run great out here in the cold. I can't complain. But yeah, Z1R 938 glove. Made in Pakistan from deer leather. And it's all deer leather. The only thing I will say, like, it snaps closed, and I don't know if it's supposed to go over a jacket or whatnot, but the stretchies right here in the wrist are not very, how do you say, shrinky. Like, it doesn't pull together very hard around your wrist. So my only concern would be that, like, if you're having trouble keeping it on, maybe, because I've never wore an insulated glove that wasn't a little bulky and wasn't a little less dexterous and tactile than, like, a motocross glove that I'm used to wearing. But yeah, I mean, they're staying on. They feel good. They look nice. They got these ribs on the back. I don't know if you can see them. And they're super hipster, which I like. Because, you know how I feel about built well bullet helmets and Colt Vans Harley Davidson grips. America, hell yeah, Harley Davidson. And all that jazz. I'm just kidding. These are jokes, people. But anyway, if you're thinking about looking for a cheap winter glove, I bought a pair for my wife, by the way, and hers haven't come in the mail yet. But if you're looking for a cheap winter glove, check them out. Throw it in the comments below if you already have these or if you've used these. Let us know. And don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe. Click down here to see more videos. Click over there to subscribe. Click down here to see one of my favorite clips. And until next time, this has been fun. You guys have been great. I've been your boy on bikes.